Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Josh and I make videos about how to make your money go the furthest. So if you're interested in that topic and you would like to see more videos like it, then feel free to go ahead and smash that subscribe button below. So in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I'm going to be discussing some of the good things about this credit card, as well as some of the things that you may not like so much about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to discuss about this credit card are the things that you will probably enjoy about this credit card. Now, a lot of credit cards will offer these things called spend bonuses. Now, the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card offers a $200 spend bonus if you spend just $500 within the first 3 months of having this credit card, and $500 would be a very easy amount to spend within the first 3 months. Even if you're not a very heavy spender, maybe you're in college or fresh out of college, that $500 in the 3-month period will be very easy. So the $200 should be a nice little spend bonus as a reward of opening this credit card. In addition to that, there won't be any type of annual fee, and all those purchases you'll be earning a flat rate of 1.5% cash back, which means that for every $100 that you spend, Chase will be giving you $1.50 just for using your credit card on those transactions. In addition to that, you'll also be earning a 0% APR for the first 15 months on all purchases and balance transfers, which basically means that you won't be incurring any interest on this credit card, even if you don't pay it off in full in the first 15 months. Of course, if you've been a longtime subscriber of my YouTube channel, which has only been around for 2 months at this point in time, you'll know that I'm a heavy believer in always paying your credit card in full and paying it off as quickly as possible and not even letting your statement come out before paying it off. This credit card can also, of course, work for balance transfers if you already have another credit card in your name and maybe you weren't able to pay it off in full and you're accruing a lot of interest. You can actually transfer that balance over to this Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, and then you'll have a little bit more time to pay that balance down before the 15 months is up, and then you start accruing interest on that. So it'll give you about 15 months to pay it down without accruing any extra interest, in which you would probably be accruing on your other credit card. Another benefit of having the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card is that you'll be offered 3 months free of Dash Pass from DoorDash. Try saying that 3 times in a row fast. I guarantee you'll probably mess up. After that, you'll be auto-enrolled for 9 months at 50% off the regular rate. So if you're not really satisfied with this service, then you can go ahead and cancel before those 3 months are up. So then you won't be charged for the 50% off rate. And then of course, after the 9 months, you'll be auto-enrolled at the full rate. So make sure you go ahead and cancel before these prices continue to increase. Another great benefit of having the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card is that if you are a big user of ride shares, you will be getting 5% back as far as cash back goes when using the Lyft app. So that's another great benefit of having this credit card. Finally, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card does offer quite a bit of protection. You'll have zero liability protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty protection. So with the purchase protection, basically what it does is that it covers your new purchases for 120 days against damage or theft, up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. And the extended warranty protection basically just extends the time period of the US manufacturer's warranty by an additional year on the eligible warranties of 3 years or less. In addition to that, if you are a big traveler, it also offers a lot of protection when you're on the road. So with this credit card, you will have auto rental collision damage waiver. So if you do go to rent a car, what you can do is you can just go ahead and decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the entire rental cost to your credit card, because you'll be covered under that credit card. So you don't have to worry about paying the insurance on that credit card, which saves you a little bit of money there as well. You'll also be offered trip cancellation and interruption insurance, and that's basically where you can be reimbursed up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip for your prepaid, non-refundable passenger fares. Of course, that's only if your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, and other covered situations. In addition to that, this credit card also has travel and emergency assistance services. So if you do happen to run into a problem away from home, you can always call the benefit administrator for legal and medical referrals, or other travel and emergency assistance. Alright, so now that I mentioned some of the things that I really like about this credit card, I do unfortunately have to jump over to what I don't necessarily like about this credit card. And the first thing you might think about are all the fees that different credit cards or banks can have. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the fees right now and what you should be looking out for when using this credit card. Alright, so the first fee that I'm going to go ahead and mention are cash advances. And you'll be issued either a $10 or 5% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. I'm really not going to jump too much further into cash advances though, just because it's something I definitely would advise staying away from. However, I'm not any type of financial advisor, so I would definitely recommend speaking with one if you do happen to run into a situation where you absolutely do need to take out a cash advance. But if you can, I would definitely stay as far away from cash advances. Another fee that the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card has is a foreign transaction fee. So you will be charged 3% of the amount of each transaction. And this is something that I really don't like, probably the most about this credit card, because you can easily find other credit cards that don't offer any type of fee as far as using your credit card abroad. So unfortunately, this would be a credit card that you would have to leave at home if you did do some traveling. In addition to that, there's also a late payment fee up to $39 and also a return payment fee for up to $39. These are two things I really wouldn't worry too much about. Just be on top of things, don't pay late, make sure you're always paying before the statement even comes out. That way you don't have to worry about simply forgetting. Just stay on top of things and you should be fine as far as that goes. And like I mentioned in the beginning, there is no annual fee with this credit card, and that's a great thing because you don't have to worry about if you're getting enough back in cash back to offset that annual fee. So you can continually use this card year after year and just receive that 1.5% cash back, which is pretty solid all in all. So to sum things up, I would say this is a pretty solid credit card for a beginner. The main pros is that you do earn 1.5% cash back. So if you're coming off of a credit card where you're only earning 1% back or you're not really earning anything back at all, a 1.5% cash back would be pretty solid. In addition to that, you're also not having to pay any type of annual fee, so you're not paying any fee for having this credit card. Another thing that I really like about this credit card is that $200 spend bonus, and you only have to spend $500 within the first 3 months, which is a very low amount compared to other credit cards. The only thing I really don't like about this credit card, I guess, is that 3% foreign transaction fee. I don't know why that bothers me so much. I guess just because there are other companies that don't have a foreign transaction fee. So I'm just thinking, Chase, why are you still having foreign transaction fees on your credit card? Get with the game, compete with these other companies. And if you completely wipe out that foreign transaction fee, you'll be so much higher, and I really wouldn't have anything bad to say about the credit card. Other than that, I guess there's just nothing that spectacular about the credit card. It's kind of a, a boring beginner credit card. The 1.5% cash back still wasn't bad. It's just that there isn't really anything special where they have like a 3% back on gas or groceries or something like that that really makes this credit card stand out. Though all in all, 1.5% cash back really isn't too bad. And of course, there is the 5% cash back on Lyft if you are a heavy rideshare user. So all in all, I would say this is a pretty good credit card for a beginner, though I'm not a financial advisor by any means. So make sure to go ahead and check in the description below. I will post a link to the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, so that way you can go ahead and read more about the credit card. And if you are interested in it from there, perhaps you can sign up. But that about wraps up this video. I do hope you enjoyed the content in this one. If you did, please give this video a like, as it helps kind of spread this video to other users like you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more reviews like this one and more money making tips. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day today. I'll see you next time.